Hello, it's another beautiful day again, engineers in the house. This is a Bluetooth speaker brought to me by a customer, and it's complaining that if you power it on like this, it doesn't come on. Power it on, it will not come on, and even though you plug charger, it won't. Power it on for several times, it doesn't come on. So we are going to open the Bluetooth speaker and check for the issue. I'm going to open it up for you now, and then let's see how I'm going to show you how we can fix this right away. So let me open up the Bluetooth speaker for you now. Let me open it up for you so that we can get down to business. So let's go. Please, if you're opening it, be careful so you don't break any of the parts. So I'm trying to open it gently so that I don't damage the body. I'm opening it now. Trying to open it. I don't want to damage the rubber, so I've successfully opened it. So now let me get the PCB. Oh, the panel is so dirty. The PCB is so dirty. Look at how it is, as if water have touched it before. Look at it. Look at it. It's so dirty, so dusty. So I'm going to disconnect it. Power it on, it will not come on. Look at it. Power it on, it won't come on. So we are going to check. Look at the IC. Look at the panel. It's so dusty. So I'm going to disconnect it. Let me disconnect it from the, and then I'm going to use my chemical and then clean the PCB before starting the work. So I'm going to use my chemical. As an engineer, we have chemicals we use. So this is one of it. I'm going to use it. I'm cleaning it now. Let me clean it well so that you can see it properly. Let me clean it from dust, from carbon, and so on, so that there won't be any issue. So now let me return the remaining chemical to the container and close it. Now, going to coming back to let me zoom it. Now, looking at the PCB, we are going to check for physical damage first before proceeding. Looking at the PCB, let's check for physical damage. Oh yeah, we have seen one. This is the physical damage. This wire here have cut. That is from the battery terminal. That is a positive. That one there have cut. You can see it. Look at it from the battery, the positive. It passes under the button there. Look at it. That's a positive terminal from the battery, and that is the one that cut. So I'm going to take my wire and we are going to jumper it. So I don't want to use the normal jumper wire we use, that small one, because that one can also cut. So I'm going to use this thick one for this work. So you can see how this wire is. This one will serve better. So let me peel it. Let me peel it and get the main wire out. I'm trying to peel it. So let me apply my lead to the wire. I want to apply my lead now. So apply my lead, so that when soldering it to the PCB, it can be easy for me. So apply your lead very well. Apply your lead. Apply your lead well. Apply it. So now I'm done. I'm done with that. So now we are going to solder to the positive of the battery on the PCB. So let's apply lead to the positive terminal of the battery first to the PCB. Apply your lead well, and then you carry the wire which you have applied lead already. and then solder it directly. Solder it, solder it, solder direct, solder there, solder it. After you can see, I finished soldering, so I'm taking it now. You are going to connect it to the positive of the USB. Connect it to the positive of the USB. So I'm going to remove this rubber here so that I don't burn it with my soldering iron. So I'm going to remove it gently. Remove it gently. So let me keep it aside. Let me keep it aside. Now you might be asking, where is the positive? So now here is the positive. You can see this is the positive. This is the positive I'm soldering now. I'm applying the lead before joining the wire. So that is the positive now. So I'm taking my wire. Let me solder it to that point, and then I'm good to go. So that's the positive. So I'm soldering it now. I'm soldering it. So you can see I've soldered it to that point now. You can see it. So clean. You can see it. So let's replace the rubber back to the point. That is the speaker rubber. So let's replace it now. So now I'm bringing the container. Let's reconnect it back and test it if it's working or not. So there's the battery. So the first wire there is for the battery. This one I'm holding is the battery, and the second is the speaker. The speaker. So this is the speaker. So guys, I'm trying to put it now. Let's power it on and see if it's working. 1, 2, go. Wow, you can see it is working. It's working. It's working. Let me power it off. Let me power it on again. Let me power it on. Wow, it's working perfectly. It's working. You can see it's working. It's working. Yeah, it's working perfectly. But this wire is too long. This my running wire is too long. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut out of it because it's too long. So for now, I'm going to disconnect it to show you that truly it is this work we did that is making the MP3 to on. So I'm going to cut it now so that you can see it. I'm going to cut it. So now let's remove. You can see it's no longer on. Even though you power it on, it's not on. You can see it's not on again. It is to show you that it is the work we did, this jumper we did, that is making it to on. So now let's reduce the length of the wire so that it doesn't make the work look dirty. Now, so let me use my scissors. I've reduced the length of the wire. So now I'm going to peel it, a little of it, and peel a little of it. So now let me apply lead. Let me apply lead. I'm going to use my lead and apply it to the wire. Apply your lead to the wire. Apply your lead very well. Apply your lead again. Apply again to the wire. Okay, you can see I've successfully applied my lead. So now I'm going to connect it back to the positive of the battery again. Let me use my picker to hold it, or let me use my bare hand. Let's see. So let me see. I'm gonna use my bare hand to hold the wire. So let's see. I'm going to solder it. I don't want it to breach. That's why I'm being careful with it. So now I'm going to solder it now. I'm going to solder it. As you can see, I've soldered it successfully. It's not breaching. So now we are going to test it. Let's on it. Let's power it. Wow, it's working. It's working. It's working truly. I'm Please like and subscribe and see you in my next video.
Power off.